Hello, in this video, we will present a case study to create a loan calculator. This is the loan calculator, like this. You enter the annual interest rate, for example, 3.5%, number of years is 10 years. The loan amount is 52,345.45. Compute payment. So this is the total payment, and this is the monthly payment. We're going to write a program to create this user interface. So we're going to have the grid manager. For this is the row, and this is the column. So let's create all this now. Is right here, and we have the labels, we have the entries, and this is the button. So these are the labels. We put the label into the grid manager. This is row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 3, column 1, and this is the column 1 here, all column 1s for labels. And this is the row 5, column 1. And this is, so we're gonna have the all these entries for the text fields. So this is the string val. So this will be all this. So we associate this string val, and this is the annual interest rate val. So this is the annual interest rate val right here. So this is for the text variable. And this is the number of years. And for this is, so we're going to associate this text variable with self dot number of years val. This is the loan amount. So this is the loan amount val. And this is now all this entries. So we have, this is the last one here. We are going to have, this is, we're going to use this label for this. So this is the label is the monthly payment, and this is the label for the total payment. So we put a value here. So this is total payment val, and this is the monthly payment val, and this is the button. So when you click the button, you are going to invoke computer payment. So this is the computer payment. So this is self.compute payment. When you click computer payment, so you're going to take the values from this annual interest rate, number of years, and loan amount. So this is, we are going to get this is, so we're going to get monthly payment, and this is to compute the monthly payment. So this is the self dot loan amount val dot get, and this is self dot annual interest rate val, so dot get. So this is self dot, this is the number of years val. So this is dot get. So This is the invoke the method get monthly payment. And this is the total payment is the, so the monthly payment times 12 times the number of years. So we're going to set the value here is this is set and format this with 2 digits after the decimal. So this is right here, 2 digits after decimal. That is all for this video on the case study for creating a loan calculator. See you on the next video.